Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a card from PrizePicks. First, you have to remember that you can remove a payment method after 16 days have passed since your first deposit using that payment method. It's the most important things to note that you can't remove your card before 16 days since the first deposit. So make sure you have passed the waiting period to remove your card. Then just log into your account and tap the deposit button in the top right corner, the plus icon. Then once you are on the deposit page, you should see a trash scan icon. Click the icon to remove your card details or saved card that you have used to deposit money on your PrizePicks account. If the trash can icon isn't there, that's when you still need to wait for your 60-day waiting period to be end. So make sure that you have deposited money on PrizePicks using your card minimum 16 days ago. Now another important things to note that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal doesn't permit you to remove your account. So that's when you can only request to remove a payment method only once in any month, and you can't request for remove any payment method maximum 5 times in a year. That's how you can remove your card from your PrizePicks account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.